Hey, I'm MindieKniss. This is the Daily Rage. Let's talk about the exact opposite thing that we normally talk about, which is trading. Today, I want to talk about not trading. I'm just back from a long weekend away. I was at home in Chicago visiting family and friends and took Monday off, didn't look at the markets at all, and feel very refreshed after that short trip. So, what I want to talk about is the importance of taking time away. Oftentimes, when I talk to especially newbie traders, they think, oh, I just need to trade all the time. I need to get all my reps in like today. And I need to just work, trade, 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 trade. And it's like, hold on, you can't do that all the time. And you shouldn't do that all the time. In the flow cycle, that is the cycles that we go through to get into flow states, there is one of the stages is called recovery. That means you're not doing the thing that you are working on getting better at, which is trading. In our case, it could be any type of athletics, could be learning a new skill. There is a time and a place for recovery. That is rest, that is relaxation, that is time not even thinking about it if possible. I know for me, the more I can just turn everything off and be entirely unplugged from it, the better I will be. Now, we have some built in mechanisms for this. In other words, if you're a stock trader, the market's only open certain times, and that's great because it gives you a forced recovery period. It's a little bit more difficult for futures traders because the market is open so much more of the time. Now, of course, we all still have the weekends, unless you happen to be a crypto trader. You could literally trade every day, all the time, 24/7. But I don't recommend that. Now, yes, there is something to be said for getting in your reps. You've heard that a million times over, but it doesn't mean all at once, all on the same day, all in the same week, all in the same month. The goal is that over time, you create those repetitions and get those numbers in to strengthen your discipline, to strengthen your mental capacity for trading, to, build up all of the things that you need to become a lucrative trader. Just know that there is a time element in this, and it's absolutely required to have that recovery aspect in that cycle. That'd be like saying, oh, this year we're just going to go from winter to summer. Now, granted, some years in certain places it may feel like that, but there is still spring inside there somewhere, even if it's only for a couple of days. Same thing in our flow cycle. There has to be that recovery aspect. And the better you can recover, guess what? The better you can show up in your next flow stage. So, just a reminder for you on not trading. And speaking of reminders, I want to talk just briefly about this. As of this recording, there is one day, 17 hours and 50 minutes to grab this crazy May Madness 90% off sale to get this special 250 one day passing. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about down here. If we go over to the 250, instead of paying regular 90% off, which would be $51.70, you're only going to pay $16.70 for this particular $250,000 account. So if you are anything like me, you might want to stock up on a couple of those while they are so inexpensive. There's a link and coupon code down below for you should you need that. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.